From the Tools menu, select Options. The Options dialog box should appear with the first page shown being General Options. Here you can check and uncheck checkboxes to control MaX UC behavior. By checking the Use MaX UC checkbox for linked phone numbers, you can use MaX UC to make phone numbers embedded in links on web pages or in emails. From the Contacts section of the General Options page, you can use the drop-down to choose what action the MaX UC desktop client takes when you double-click within the UI. You can choose between calling a contact immediately, opening a chat window if you use instant messaging, and viewing details for contacts. You can configure how to make calls using MaX UC application under the Calls Options page. Use the drop-down next to Make Calls Using to select whether you always want to make calls using the MaX UC client, to always use one of your other phones, or to decide which phone you want to use every time you make a call. Note: if you select MaX UC, these boxes display your phone numbers, but they are grayed out and you cannot edit them. You can set your settings for instant messaging under the Chat page. If you want the MaX UC client to automatically approve requests from IM-enabled contacts who add you as an IM contact, select the checkbox for Auto Accept Chat Contact Requests. If left unchecked, a pop-up box will appear every time someone adds you to either accept or reject their request.